Hello everybody, it's Mr. Herman. I'm back with another video again. This one's going to be on finding the circumference of circles. Tomorrow we'll work on areas and then probably some composite figures on Friday, but this one is for Wednesday the 25th, March 25th. And let's get started. So to find the circumference of a circle, a couple things you're going to need. First of all, you need a formula. I'll put that right in the middle here. This formula is going to be C equals pi d. Each of these, of course, stands for something. The C stands for circumference. Pi is pi. It's 3.14159, so on. It's going to be what we use to, we're going to use an estimate, though, of course. We're not going to use the exact amount, and we're not going to use the pi key in the calculator. Let's try to focus on, no matter what the worksheets say I send you, we're always going to use pi is approximately 3.14. We know it's not equal to that, but it's an approximation. It's pretty good. Okay, and the d is the diameter of the circle. So to do this, we have to have the diameter of the circle. And as you see, the first one, we don't have the diameter. In case you don't remember what these are again, this is the radius. It's only half the length of the circle across the center. This is the diameter over here. And then over here we have, this is the circumference. So what we're trying to find is basically how far distance around the outside is. And it's a pretty simple thing. It's just going to be the distance across here, which we see the full distance, right? The full distance across times pi. That's what it is. So we'll start with the formula over here, C equals pi d. And I'm going to put in C equals, you'll need your calculators for this, of course. We're going to substitute now, 3.14 times the diameter. Well, the diameter is not 12, it's the radius. The diameter is 24. You have to add that. So it's going to be times 24. Let's use our calculators to go ahead and put that in now. I'll try and show you this as I can. It's kind of hard to see it, I think, but I'll try and show you when I can. So 3.14 times 24, 75.36. So it's about 75.36. And it's going to be, in this case, miles. Not squared, just units. Let's go to the next one. Now, the next one's this one right here. And this one's got a diameter this time of 6, so it's the whole way across is 6. And this is not the scale, of course. This one's miles. This meters is no way to be much smaller. So it's not the scale, but just for a picture. C equals pi d. And here we got C equals, again, 3.14 we substitute, times the diameter, which in this case is 6. So we'll take our 3.14. Let's go over this side this time so you can see it better, hopefully. The reflection's not great. This is definitely different than my usual setup at school when I make videos, but I'm trying to do my best here. So it's 3.14 times 6, 18.84. So this is approximately 18.84. And that one is in meters. So again, if the distance across here is 6 meters, we're saying it's about 18.8 meters around the outside. That's what we're saying. Let's do one more. This one here is a little bit different. This time it just gives you like the basic, like a word problem. It doesn't really tell you much. It just says, find the circumference, and it gives you the radius. So we're going to use the same formula, of course, because it wants the circumference. So the formula is still C equals pi d. C equals 3.14. But this is not the diameter, it's the radius. So you have to double it because it's not big enough. So times 2 gives us 18. So we're going to say times 18. Let's throw our calculator in there, somewhere around here. Again, not easy to see, but just do my best to try to include it. 3.14 times, again, not the pi key. We're using 3.14 times 18. It's going to be a little bit higher if you use the pi key. 56.52. So it's about 56.52 feet. And again, this symbol right here, if you don't know what this means about. When we use the exact amount, equals, not really equals here, it's equals here, because we have the pi symbol. But this is about this amount. It means it's an approximation. Again, this is Wednesday's lesson. Go ahead and try the homework. The answer key for all that should be posted after I post the video. Have a great day.